Hey, guess who's here? Captain Chris Johnson and my dog. Excuse my appearance. I've been up since 2 in the morning, doing all kind of things, getting my pool and the backyard shut down. So, a little busy. I know I don't look the prettiest, but I don't care. Let me tell you what's going on real quick. Today, 2 o'clock, we have the Private Founders Roundtable. All right, get on there. You can ask questions, have a discussion. It's pretty new. Do I know if Ash is going to show up? I never know. But it's worth checking out. That is a private link. That'll be in the back office only. And normally Kevin and Cedric have a 8 o'clock tonight, which is being canceled. Reason being is Michael Williams is going to be on the Humung webinar. And we all want to go support Michael Williams because he's always got some pretty cool things to say. I'm not sure if that's private or not, but if it is public, I'll post it on my Facebook, but I know it is in the back office. And let me see who's on here because I'm all good. Mark Boutin, Lennon Robert Tantillo, Marty DeGarmo, Tanya, Bill Hemp, Jacqueline Lewis, Donna, Peter. What's happening? Let me get back and start talking here. You know, I have many things that I'd like to say. Some things I can't. I won't. But this goes out to a lot of people out there who are watching me, a lot of my old buddies at work, the people that don't believe. I got something to tell you. All right. I know what you're going through right now at our plant, our old plant, shutting down. Your futures really, they're not very, you don't know what's going to happen in the future of the auto world. We never did. But I'm telling you, this is the place to come, guys. I seen some of the videos that my head was on, and of course, I don't understand. I've been talking nothing but positive about this since last October, a year. All right, but you guys see one negative thing, oh my God, you believe it. All right, you're gonna believe some clown on the internet making a YouTube because he makes money off it, or you're gonna believe someone that always took care of you. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Let me explain something to you about Ash Mafara. I've had the pleasure of sitting down with him like this on a Zoom. Okay, you have no idea how big this heart on this man is. That's the honest truth. There's things that I know that I won't tell you till way after launch. I know that things he's done. You guys read negative and it's like boom. It's like you're driving down the freeway and you see a guy standing by his car, stalled, needs help, and you zip right by him. But my God, if there's an ambulance and there's a body lane, you're all going to stop and look, right? All right, listen to me. All right, this guy we call Ash Mafara, this business he designed, created, and built called Onpassive. All right, first guy in the history of the world in business that is doing something for humanity. Okay, I want you to think back when you went to college. You wanted to start your own business. What was the main thing? You wanted to start your own business and make money. Did it ever occur to you, wait, maybe I could start a business and change humanity? All right, this is what he's done. Believe it or not, you'll believe it when you see it, that's fine. But you're missing out on a great opportunity. Did Bill Gates, did Zuckerberg, did the spaceship dude, did those guys start a business to help out people in the world? No, they didn't. They decided that they wanted to make lots of money, and they have made lots of money. God bless them. Good for them. All right, but now you have a man and a company that's out for you, that wants to help change your life and change your world. That's the bottom line truth, okay? Mr. Mafara had a meeting last Friday for the founders. You guys all know what's going on with that. You know what next Friday starts, the tour, okay? Well, that starts it. You people out there that don't believe me, you're going to see it soon enough, but all I'm asking is that you check it out, okay? Because it is true. It's happening, all right? And I'm a huge part of it. I love it. I love every part of it. And you guys, I just don't want you to wait, okay? Yeah, you can be a reseller. I totally get that. You got to see it to believe it, but the place to be is a founder. I want you to understand something, okay? When all of you people that don't believe see this, that says, Chris, I got to see it before I join it. There's millions upon millions upon millions of people that will do that, all right? Right now as a founder, where do you think those millions and millions of people are going to fall? They're going to fall underneath all of us, All right, we have over 976,000 founders right now. We're this close to getting, I think by the end of the week, we're going to hit 1 million. What does that mean? First company in history that's going to launch with over 1 million customers. Over 1 million customers, folks. Never been done before. This company's breaking records every single day, but you know what? You just don't want to look at it, and I don't understand why. I really don't, excuse me. I'm wired, I'm tired, and I'm also excited because I know what's coming our way. But just for 1 second, listen to me. All right? I've never been in any kind of thing that you think this is in my life, nor would I have because I was smart enough. I'm letting you know from the bottom of my heart that this is really happening, and I would love for you to be a part of it, okay? Anyone that shares this video, get back with them. Get back with them and at least check it out. Tomorrow, Tuesday at 2 o'clock, we have a guest webinar, okay? Anyone can go on there and ask any question you want. Don't you think it's worth your time to check it out? Get on there and ask those questions that you're afraid to ask, or you asked me and you didn't believe me. Listen to me. Go on that. Check it out. But you got a company right now that cares about everyone in this world, not just one person. All right, the man is sharing everything, and it's really it's unbelievable. But I tell you what, I know 976,000 people that are extremely happy right now. All right, we're coming to the end of the foundership. All right, there is a number. We don't know what that number is yet. But when we hit that number, there'll be no more founders. Okay? Really important there, folks. You got to listen to what I just said. When we hit that number, there'll be no more founders. Period. Period, period, period. Yep, you could be a reseller after we launch. But my God, get in the ground floor of this right now, guys. It's real simple to do, and it's only 97 bucks. We launch to the world, you pay a package fee, and you literally don't have to do anything. That's the honest to God truth. Did Jeff Bezos offer you that? No, he's just real happy thanking you for all being great customers. That man's got enough money to do many, many things with everyone in this world, just like Ash Mafar is going to do. He's going to share it with the world. I guarantee you, when we launch to the world, all right, you guys are going to start hearing about it pretty soon. Okay? And when you do, maybe those non-believers will start believing. But you auto workers right now, with the part shortages, all right, with the new electrical cars coming in and they don't know where they're going to put those cars, man, I remember those days. Am I going to have a job? Am I going to get moved to another plant? No, man, you don't have to worry about that, sir. Listen, make this your plan B. You got a plan A. If you're a teacher and you don't want to go back to work because of this COVID, you are going to be able to still teach in it's what's called O Academy. All right, and I guarantee you're going to make a heck of a lot more. All right, but you can still teach. You can still do what you love. No risk, right from your home. All right, that's the truth. We have so many things to offer and so much more to come. And I'm not begging anybody. I'm sharing it to you. But it kills me. It kills me that you guys still don't believe. That's what really blows me away. And I'll never understand that. But when you do see it, you could. I'm not going to say I told you so. I won't do that. But I will say, come on. Come on, you can still be a reseller. You're still going to be able to make money. All right? You're still going to get that freedom and time back. But right now is the time for a founder's position. And it's almost coming to a close. Okay? The next couple weeks, my lives are going to be a little different. I'm going to be asking you to help share these videos. All right? There's people in your Facebook, your WhatsApp, whatever groups you have that love this stuff, that believe in this stuff, because this is the truest business and the most heart business I've ever seen in my life. One guy is offering this. He could have done it all by himself. And once you become a founder and you plug in and you actually see this man talk, you're going to be blown away. I promise you that. But think about anyone in this world that's ever tried to do this. William Ford, he set out to build a big car, a good car. He did that. Yeah, we got from A to B, made millions and millions, created a lot of jobs. You haven't seen nothing yet. You haven't seen nothing. Right now, you can look at Onpassive has created 976,000 businesses. Businesses, not jobs. Businesses that's going to get you the freedom that you want. All right, with none of the hassle because they're going to do it all for you. All right, I have not been paying attention to the names. I apologize. Let me get down here real quick. And I do want to call out also to my buddy Eric Kessler, whose father had passed away over the weekend. Our condolences, Eric. Also, Marina Favit had a meet and greet this weekend at her house, and one of her employees that helps around her house, does gardening and stuff like that. I think he was 34 years old. He passed away. He had a 6-year-old kid. I think he had a massive heart attack. So reach out with prayers and condolences. Keep praying for anyone that's sick, no matter what. I will wish Viviana Rodriguez a very happy birthday also today. And a lot of you other people that have birthdays, happy birthday to you. But I'm just going to let you know, guys, this is coming, okay? I have been in just about every country in the world talking about Onpassive. But see, right now I want to key on Michigan. I want to key on the United States right now. All right, I actually talk to every country, but now I'm talking to you, United States, okay? We're in a lot of trouble the next couple of years. There's nothing guaranteed anymore. Why not join something that's going to guarantee you success? $97. All right. Make it your plan B. I guarantee you once you see what's happening, you're going to love your plan B. Because plan B is going to take you all the way through the alphabet the rest of your life. This will be the last business that you ever own. And if you want to call it a job, it's not a job. It's called freedom. And I'm here to give you that opportunity, share it to you. Share that opportunity with you. All right. I know people all over the world. All right. And they know what's coming. I know people that have nothing, that work their brains off 3-4 weeks just to make the $97. All you need is one position. All right. Most founders bought a few extra positions because they know what it's going to be like. So think about that for a second. Very successful people are in this company. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, scientists. All right, people that are already set, but they understand what Onpassive is about to do. You got to understand, artificial intelligence is the future. All right, and anything past artificial intelligence, Onpassive is going to get first because we have the smartest people in the world working for us. They're 10 years ahead of everybody. That's what Onpassive is all about. And in a few short weeks, Mr. Mafar is coming down to Michigan. We're going to sit down and remember that Angels list I was telling you about? It's going to get started. All right? I'll have pictures to prove it. I'm not going to tell you a date or a time, but that's happening. And he did mention that in the last founders meeting. Myself, Peter Shore, Jeff, Joyce, we're going to sit down and we're going to make a plan how to fix homelessness in Michigan, and we are going to carry it over to the Angels for the rest of the world. You'll see it. Man, I wish you just would believe me. I don't think I've ever sold any of you down the river for anything, anytime. Trust me that I'm telling you the truth. Trust me when I say you want to get in this, because no one ever offered this and no one's ever going to offer it. I guarantee it. So you can PM me, you can call me, you can text me. I'll send you a link. It's real fast. If someone shares this, get back with that person. That's how we do it. All right, I got to get I talked way too long. Let me say hi to everybody. Tina, what's happening? Oh, there's a hard one. I'm going to say your last name. Okoli? Anyakadiki Okoli, if I said it wrong. Peter Shore, my brother from another mother. I got to jump through here. A lot of people on here. Patricia Tan, Kenton Patterson, New Zealand. Oh, my goodness. There's a lot of tough names on here. George, what's happening? I know who that is. Ty, what's happening? Helen, how you doing? Diane Lennon. Oh, thank you. I seen Diane Lennon and Canada. Happy Thanksgiving Day to you. And I'm rambling on because I haven't slept in quite a while, so that's okay. Robert Tantulu, my brother from New Jersey. Patricia Tan, Ruth Pace. And I can't see anyone else because my comments are always goofed up. But I appreciate the support, guys. Share this video. Let's show the world who we are. Remember, the founding position's coming to an end, folks. I've been telling you for a year. Red Redford's been telling you for 3 years. Marty DeGarmo for 2.5 years. Every one of us. You could have signed up yesterday. Guess what? You're still all set. It doesn't matter when you sign up. Every founder is going to be successful because they got guarantee of success through Onpassive. Millions and millions and millions of people are going to sign up for this. Why? Because they can make money. Why? Because the products are going to be better. Why? Because we're going to have AI, artificial intelligence. Why? Because we're going to have a thing called Bless that's going to help out everyone. That'll be all over the news on a daily basis. I guarantee you that. All right, but don't go buy those lottery tickets, man. Don't go buy those lottery tickets. $97 right now. That's it. $97 to get in the pay structure. That's all it takes. And if you don't like what you see, you get your money back. Can you really? You're really not going to try that for $97 and you get your money back? All right. Keep reading the negative things. I just read another article on the internet last night. I could buy a pill and eat everything I want and lose 50 pounds. Right? Right? There's things on the internet that aren't true. The stuff that you're seeing about negative. Ash did talk about, I'll say it, protect Onpassive. He's protecting Onpassive. He calls us his partners. It's his business and we're his partners. All right? Be warned, people. Do not put negative things on the internet about Onpassive. We have an army of illegal teams that's going after these people. All right? If you are a founder and you got caught doing that, you'll be terminated. All right? If you're a YouTuber out there and you're saying something negative about Onpassive, be ready for a phone call or a knock on your door. All right? That stuff's all going to end. It's coming. Get in it now. I'll see y'all later. Oh, wait, I got to call my buddy Bill Must out because I love him to death. Bill Must, I'm sure, will be making a YouTube video out of this. You could share this, share his YouTube, help Bill out. Timmy Johnson, those pictures you guys are sending in are flying through really cool. The voice messages, pretty awesome. There's a lot of things that we're happy about. The greatest thing is next Friday it all starts. All right, we'll see y'all later. Ciao.